Looking for the best toolbox to keep your tools organized and secure? For durability, storage, and value. These picks are perfect for both professionals and DIY users, offering smart design, strong build quality, and great performance. In this video, we reveal the top 5 best toolboxes you could buy now. You can easily decide which is best for you. Number 5. DEWALT 2190 Toolbox. The DEWALT 2190 Toolbox is a compact yet highly durable storage solution designed for professionals and DIY users alike. Built with rugged materials, this toolbox ensures long-lasting performance even in tough job site conditions. It features a secure latch system that keeps your tools safe and organized during transport. The ergonomic handle makes carrying comfortable, while the internal layout allows for efficient storage of essential tools and accessories. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move around without compromising on strength. Ideal for electricians, mechanics, and home users, this toolbox delivers reliability and convenience. If you're looking for a dependable and portable tool storage option, the DEWALT 2190 is a solid choice for everyday use. Number 4. Akro-Mils 09514 ProBox Plastic Toolbox. The Akro-Mils 09514 ProBox Plastic Toolbox is a versatile and lightweight storage solution perfect for organizing small tools and parts. Made from high-quality plastic, it offers excellent durability while remaining easy to carry. The toolbox features secure latch closure to keep contents safe and prevent spills. Its spacious interior provides ample room for hand tools, hardware, and accessories, making it ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike. The comfortable handle ensures easy portability, whether you're working in the garage or on-site. Additionally, its stackable design allows for convenient storage when not in use. If you need an affordable and practical toolbox for everyday tasks, the Akro-Mils ProBox is a reliable option. Number 3. DEWALT DWSD-17806 TSTAK Toolbox. The DEWALT DWSD-17806 TSTAK Toolbox is a modular storage solution designed for maximum flexibility and organization. It features a durable construction that can withstand heavy-duty use, making it ideal for professionals. The TSTAK system allows you to stack and connect multiple units, creating a customized storage setup tailored to your needs. With strong metal latches and a secure locking mechanism, your tools stay protected during transport. The spacious interior accommodates a wide range of tools, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable carrying. This toolbox is perfect for contractors and technicians who require efficient organization and easy access to their equipment. Overall, it offers excellent functionality and durability. Number 2. Keter 25966 Stack and Roll Modular Tools Organizer. The Keter 25966 Stack and Roll Modular Tools Organizer is an innovative storage system designed for mobility and convenience. Featuring a modular design, it allows users to stack and customize storage units based on their needs. The built-in wheels and telescopic handle make it easy to transport tools across job sites. Constructed with durable materials, it ensures long-lasting performance and protection for your equipment. The secure locking system keeps tools safe, while multiple compartments help maintain organization. This organizer is ideal for professionals who need a portable and efficient storage solution. Whether you're a contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the Keter Stack and Roll provides excellent versatility and ease of use. Number 1. CRAFTSMAN CMSD-16901 Toolbox. The CRAFTSMAN CMSD-16901 Toolbox is a reliable and spacious storage option designed for both professionals and home users. Built with sturdy materials, it offers durability and long-term performance. The toolbox features a secure latch system that keeps your tools safe during transport. Its roomy interior provides ample space for various tools, while the removable tray helps organize smaller items efficiently. The comfortable handle ensures easy portability, making it convenient for use on the go. Known for its trusted brand quality, this toolbox delivers excellent value for money. If you're looking for a dependable and practical tool storage solution, the CRAFTSMAN CMSD 16901 is a great choice.